Hi, this is Walt Fritz from Foundations and Manual Therapy Seminars. I had a brief clip that I'm going to share next with you. It was filmed at a class in Athens, Greece back in 2023. My purpose in showing this clip, and excuse the time spent in translation, etc., is manual therapy is typically viewed as a clinician as expert approach and model, one where myself, the expert, is deemed skilled enough to be able to both figure out the problem and know what to do with it. And you know what, that's proven helpful in the research and in the clinic for decades, if not longer. But there's key elements missing to that, and to me that is inclusion of patient feedback. Is what I'm feeling with my experienced hands, etc., is it relevant? Does it have meaning to the person? Or am I just treating something that I think is important? So in this particular clip, we're doing some tongue work, and tongue work that, sure, I feel something, but is what I'm feeling relevant? Is it familiar to the patient? I use words like that. Is it familiar? Does it feel useful? Does it feel helpful? But just as importantly, is there anything about what we're doing right now that feels unsafe to you or like a waste of time? So I'm going to let you watch this and we'll chat a little bit about it.
Force. Instead here and goes back in my tongue.
What was the word?
Pulsing.
Pulsing. Okay. So what I want to do is see if I can connect with that pulsing field. Okay.
Θέλει να δει αν μπορεί να συνδεθεί με αυτή την αίσθηση, με αυτό τον παλμό που νιώθει η Αλεξάνδρα και τον εστιάζει σε συγκεκριμένο σημείο.
Stick your tongue out. Okay. So right away, I feel that right there. Is that part of it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How many?
Yeah.
Okay. I've grabbed a couple thousand tongues in my career. And as soon as I took hold of hers, the middle of the tongue felt very thick to me.
Έχει πιάσει χιλιάδες γλώσσες, αλλά η δική της γλώσσα στη μέση νιώθει ότι είναι πολύ παχιά.
I know enough that just because it feels thick to me doesn't mean there's a problem.
Και βέβαια αυτό δεν είναι απαραίτητο ότι υποδηλώνει πρόβλημα.
But I'm going to check in with her. And as soon as I squeezed that thickness and pulled just a little bit, she gave me an indication that was something.
Και επειδή τσέκαρε να δει με την ίδια τη νιώθει, με το που άσκησε μεγαλύτερη πίεση κεντρικά εκεί σε αυτό το παχύ μέρος και έκανε ελαφριά έλξη, του έδωσε σήμα ότι είναι καλύτερο.
There we go. So I know the gauze is covering the tongue and you can't see, but what I'm doing, I went from the first one to the second one, where I'm coming in and under the tongue.
Οπότε πήγε από την πρώτη άσκηση στη δεύτερη, έβαλε το δείκτη μέσα και σήκωσε από μέσα την γλώσσα.
Right there. Is it part of it right there? Yeah.
Έσαι περισσότερο και μετά αφήθηκα. Ήταν ότι έχω τον έλεγχο. Ήταν ωραίο ότι είχα τον έλεγχο.
She was a bit apprehensive in the beginning, but then as we gave her more time, she slowly began to ease into what was happening and to feel it and to connect with what was going on and to feel the process and to just let herself go and ultimately feeling that she has control.
And because I'm a people-pleasing person, I want to please everybody.
She's a people
It was
pleaser.
wonderful that it was okay with you to say, okay, stop.
Yeah.
Και
You
του
give me a
λέει,
lot of choices all the time.
του λέει η Αλεξάνδρα ότι εγώ είμαι άνθρωπος που μου αρέσει να ικανοποιώ τους άλλους, οπότε μου άρεσε πολύ ότι ένιωσα την άνεση μαζί σου, να μπορώ να σου πω σταμάτα ή όχι, ότι δεν έπρεπε να τον ικανοποιήσω.
I don't think I need to add anything to that. It's important that they feel in control.
And to me, manual therapy, where the clinician basically says here, you lay here, you sit here, and I'll do what's best for you, that's really outdated. A lot of patients still expect that, and a lot of clinicians still supply that, but some of the newer models of manual therapy, the mechanism of actions and how it should take place, they really move us forward into the place where this is more of an active model versus the traditional passive model. So when we're working with issues of oral motor, facial region, post-head neck cancer, fibrosis, voice disorders, performing voice, airway, etc., I want to elevate the perceived expertise of my patient to a level that is essentially equal with mine, share decision making, and let the two of us figure this out together. I use a word called co-creation. Instead of me deciding what to do, let's create this interaction together. Hope you are interested in terms of what you saw and what I'm talking about, and go to my website, waltfritz.com, for more information.